Hello everyone, Tina Spalding Trance Channel here today. It's been a while since I've done a post. I've been off for a little bit due to travel and some personal things I had to do. First of all, I'd like to say thank you for being here. Thank you for coming to my channel. Please like and subscribe and share these videos. A lot of people are scared to share these videos because they think someone will think they're weird, but they're very helpful. And in these times of great change and transformation, anytime you can share one of these videos, it will help someone somewhere out there. As you know, you're here because they have helped you. I would like to let you know that we're very excited. We are doing 2 in-person retreats in Europe in late May and early June. Late May, our Crete retreat is almost filled. We have 2 residence spaces available in shared accommodation. You can go to channelingjesus.com homepage and get all of the details there. The location, beautiful villa overlooking the Mediterranean, the pricing and that kind of thing, dates and times and all of those sorts of things. We also do have the live streams available for purchase. So if you can't make the actual retreat, which is probably the case, please do sign up for the live stream. It will give you a recording of all of the activities that go on there. When we sell the recording after the retreat, there are some special guests and things that are not included. So if you want to see the whole retreat, do sign up for the live stream. Or if you're in Europe and you'd like to go to a beautiful villa with some lovely Course in Miracles people and make some new friends, consider joining us in person. We also have a beautiful retreat coming up in Devon in England. If you're in England, consider coming to join us. We haven't been there for 4 years because of you know what, and at this stage of our history, you never know when we'll be back. So do stop into channelingjesus.com homepage and check out the England retreat. We are renting a beautiful hotel in a town called Torquay, where I used to go as a child to the beach. And we will be having a wonderful time there. That's at the beginning of June. So please consider joining us. And if you can't join us, do consider signing up for the live stream so that you have a recording of the whole event. When you get a recording of the whole event, you get about 6-7 hours of channeled material that we simply cannot provide for free on YouTube. And it's in depth. It goes into a lot of subjects that we can't go into here. And you know what those subjects are. And so please do consider, if not joining us for the in-person event, which is a wonderful, wonderful thing when we spend 3 days together, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, talking about the deeper subjects that Jesus and Ananda and guests sometimes channel. It is a wonderful, wonderful way to connect. We have had many deep friendships form in these retreats. So do consider, if you feel like you're a bit alone in your practice and you'd like to meet some like-minded people, consider joining us in person. And if not, do consider buying the live stream to get 6 or 7 hours of deep teachings that will transform your life. Now stay tuned for a clip from one of our live streams that you can access in our membership. The membership is $33 a month, and for that you get access to almost 200 Q&A sessions with Jesus and Ananda. You get access to all of the videos that I've ever done, and you get a wonderful community, online community, again, where people are making friends and really enjoying the loving frequency. If nothing else, join for a month. You'll get a discount on the live stream. If you buy the live stream, you'll save your money just doing that one thing. And come and check out the community. It is vibrant. It is full of loving people. And of course, you get access to our 2 live streams a month, 90 minutes, twice a month. And it really does enrich your Course in Miracles experience. So stay tuned for a clip that's coming up right now. Thank you. Bye.